on the island. Just kidding. The birds of paradise as their creatures continue their journey there to the new islands of paradise. And Guga caused so much trouble. As today, a lot of us grown up. Oh, good God. Is Lindsay coming? Wait, Lindsay got pregnant? Oh yeah, that's the old Alpha. Alpha is here. She's gotta hurry her butt up. Come here. We'll unlock everything. As the cool. We're trying to unlock all of it. Where's the beta? I can't remember the beta. The other alpha. Wait, I forgot. Resapin would be. So you're still beta. Oh no. Oh well, you'll do your job right. Wait, we need a toss. Forget about it. I'm sure there'll be plenty of new islands. Okay, now that we got our creatures on here, let us begone. Alright, who got this leech? Who got this leech? Go. Let us use you to travel to the next island. What's We are on the next island. Oh, it's a small one. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ugh. So everyone have your freaking babies because you ain't come back. Ladies, gotta breed or bat face because I want to have it from him because we're trying to unlock some things. And our beta may have to have her baby too. Anything I want to use to GA on the horizon. And we're gonna have to have K with someone too. Hopefully. So we don't have our alpha just yet, but let's take a look. We have Toxic Buddy Tear. Where is it? And we have the lady here. I think he should go. It's not a bat child, but it'll do. Trying to get as many babies as we can possibly. So who can be the alpha, I wonder? I guess this guy. We got a strong Pruno here. So we got our alpha male. Again, we need 10 creatures to go on to the next island. So that's going to be a difficult procedure. Who was your mate? Coot tap. Spy. Non-spotty guy. In here. I'm gonna get some claw babies because I feel like that would be good. And of course, is pregnant with her baby. Baby there. Can I help with this? Hopefully he'll be old enough to have the baby. If not, then we can always have more. And she does have bat inactive. Oh, we got the big snout now. Anyone thing I want to give her? No. She has bat head inductive. Oh, we have another ant baby. Kuta. 10 members. Glorious members. Any of you can breed with her. Kuter can go with Tear. Does she have anything good? No. But she has that toxic family. We got some boys. And we got a Claws warrior here. Pruno. No. Actually, I want to bring you over here. The beta still needs to go on to... I think she'll go on to island, so every beta needs to go on to the next island. Alpha needs to step the low. These guys will have to start. Keep having more babies, because they are precious. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Didn't do anything, so they got 7 so far. Plus all the new babies, and so that's 8, 9, 10. The beta's gonna have to have her baby somewhere. Okay, we gotta use the... Why can't you just right? This bush is indestructible. And... these so we can carry them on to the next island. We need another bat. No, it's not. I don't know who I'm gonna carry into the next island. I'm not gonna carry Pruno out because he doesn't have what I need. Terror can stay. Child now. But it's not very good, so I'm not gonna. Okay. Dunukier, I guess. Have any? I guess we can try and get that heat body. We got another tough warrior. One of them's gonna have to breed with somebody. She should breed with... No. Because... No seems to... Alright, everyone. Pass your days. A striped baby. Nothing too interesting. Seer. I forgot to do that. Yes, you can breed with her. Like the goodest babies out. We're gonna get rid for now. We're gonna start choosing wisely who's gonna go and who's not. So Donna Kiara is not. Noah's going to have a baby if he's still alive by then. I switched nests for some reason. I don't think Teo Pop will go because we need to find a beta. Okay, where's her firstborn child? Lair is her firstborn child, but I'm not planning on making her. Donna, she be the beta? Or he be the beta? No, he cannot. What about... Oh, no. This child... Oh, wait, it's not the beta's child. Crud. I need to have the beta's child. Or someone, because we need... Gonna bring out the toxic body. Alright, pass the day. Try again. Alright, we got more anteater babies. Seems pretty tough. I don't have an interest to keep that baby. Try to bring... nope. Try again. One of the beta. Hey, pretty looking. Do you want her to go? Yes, she has berry fingers. So that's 1, 2, 4. 4 that are going. We got 5 and 6. Because the tougher babies. How about this child? Anything interesting in him? No, but he can be the beta. Alright. Anything I want to get out? List. So the guys that aren't going are going to go there. The beta, or 7 is going because it's a female. And it's mostly try and get some more healthier ones. We're trying to get derps now, though. But it's going to be a hard one. Alright. It's hard choice to make. Uh-oh. It's Barina. Ooh! Alright, there we go. Nah. That's good. We caught child. He's not gonna be here around much longer. We must do this quick. So the warriors go up. You guys go up there. Oh my god. Okay. Right. Pass the day yet again. Alright, we got some more eating one. We have selective breeding, so this guy. Ooh, like Lunsap. Oh, is there help there? One of you guys has to have Bathead if you are to continue. Which one's the best out of these? This guy. So this warrior's gotta go. She's gonna go. This is a more better one. He's gonna flee. She can go ahead, so we must keep trying for a bat. Actually, I think it should be fine. Are we maxed out? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Past day.